Now here we are on Thursday morning at our hotel near Kamishi. The players are now reporting in for medicals and a recovery session at the beach. So we'll be meeting with the medical staff, but from what I could see after the game yesterday, we came through relatively unscathed, some sore bodies, but no injuries that would keep players out. Looking at some of the players who have been injured and looking to return for Georgia, certainly all reports on Semi Kunatani are very positive. He's looking to be back in the selection mix for Georgia. Battaliato has been progressing with his head injury assessment, return to play protocols, and has been symptom free. So he will continue with non-contact training. If he keeps progressing, we would expect him to be available as well. Look, in terms of our goals for Rugby World Cup, big disappointment yesterday that we couldn't secure a win over Uruguay. Credit to Uruguay, they really played very well and really played strongly as a team and deserved their win. For us, we need to really learn our lessons from that and move forward. It's really important now that we take our lessons, but really big focus now on the Georgia match. It's always was going to be a very, very big game for us, and that's we need to get things right. We need to really put in a performance of the standard that we expect. Yesterday we were below par. We do set ourselves high standards, and in a number of areas we were below par. So important now with travel today, some recovery this morning, travel today, that we get down to Osaka and really regroup, work hard together, and really develop our game strategy for the Georgia match.